So in order to do this exercise, you just have to lie down and just stretch. And as I mentioned, this is a very good exercise to start doing while you're still in bed in the morning when you wake up, the first thing. Maybe you can just turn your head, your neck a little bit to the right, a little bit to the left, just to or lift your arms just a little bit to get a little bit of movement. But actually you can start doing this exercise so which is not going to take you a very long time, and it is up to you for how long you want to have it. To do it, it's going to involve one leg at a time, and it's going to work on your lower back, on your pelvis disc, so helping you with the mobility of your pelvis and your hips. And it might be actually a little better than doing this exercise standing, because in this case you don't have actually to have the whole weight of your whole body on your front leg or back leg, and you don't have to think about shifting the position of the legs or the angle of the knee when you bend it and so on. And it actually it's going to allow you to, as you was going to see, to allow you to bring your knee much closer to the torso. So this will achieve a much better stretch of your hamstring, the back of your legs and of your glutes. So start by bringing one knee towards your torso, and you should keep this position for 2 seconds, 1, 2, and then you stretch your leg. Try to maintain the right heel in contact with the floor. If you cannot do that, just it's fine. So you'll be keeping this stretch for 6 seconds to begin with. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you will be bending the knee again. Try to pull a little bit towards the torso, but not very much. Don't strain yourself. And then you stretch again, this time for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you try to pull a little bit more towards your torso for 2 seconds, and then straighten again for 10 seconds. You try to pull again a little bit towards yourself. You can do a couple of stretches with each leg, and then you can also do it with the right leg. So 1, 2, and then you stretch for 6. So the first time you stretch, you always will stretch for only 6 seconds. So this is going to ensure that your stretch is going to take to be a bit gentler to start with, and then so you pull towards your torso, and then the second stretch and all the stretches afterwards are going to be held for 10 seconds. And of course, when you start this exercise, for the first days you are not going to be able maybe to do too much of a stretch, or your leg is not going to come too much too close towards your torso. But if you keep at it, and if you do this exercise on a regular basis, as I told you, every morning when you wake up, or every other morning, or whenever you feel for it, if you keep doing it, you'll see much better improvement, and your hips are going to be become more mobile, and in time you will be able to bring your leg maybe up to your chest, And of course, for those who are interested in doing the splits or doing any other type of exercises, this, I think it's a good exercise to help you with that as well. And as I told you, having nice hip mobility and stretching your hamstrings is going to help you with walking better, running better, or jogging better. Many people I know say that running or jogging is not going to, for example, help you with losing weight. And is this true? Maybe if you run, you're going to burn maybe 100 calories, and that is not much. And but actually, what jogging or running do for you is to keep you feel mobile. And it's not about burning calories any longer. It's about having a body that allows you to jog or to run if you want to. And why wouldn't you? It's a nice form of movement for your body, and your body is made for it, and it loves it. So why not doing it? Why not enjoy it, or at least for as long as you can? And of course, if you do run or jog, you have to be doing it in a mindful way, and you have to have proper shoes, and maybe not run off the pavement, so you don't actually, because running on the pavement can be very harsh for your joints, for your knees, for your ankles. So be careful with that. So but just like a very slight jog maybe is not going to do much harm. It's up to you, you know better. And this exercise, I hope, is going to help you with that and bring you a great deal of benefit. So please let me know how you found it, if it helped you, or if you have any other advice.